didn't even feel like I needed a leather jacket tonight, so I just got on a flannel and my cut, and I'm in these streets. So, two things I'm testing out tonight. I did add a new microphone. It's not a very expensive one, it's a very inexpensive one, realistically. But I was definitely in need of one because the previous one was literally had fallen apart. And I also am testing the video quality of the GoPro Hero 8. So that's what you guys will see facing me. I do have it set at minimum 100 ISO and a maximum, I believe, of 200. So if I look a little dark in the shot, that's probably the reason why. But I'm more concerned about the dynamic range, and probably by the time you see the video, I would have gone in and done some editing in Final Cut to get it, you know, pretty close to where I want it. But like I said, guys, if you look around, you can see this is a beautiful night. And for those of you who are still not clear, and I've been getting a lot of comments and questions about the main reason why I took back the GoPro Hero Max, or the GoPro Max, I just feel like in a lot of ways that camera was rushed to market, and it may be something great, you know, in a couple of months. But the problem with that is it's a 5.6 or 5.7K camera that is outputting maximum resolution of 1080. Yes, there is a way that you can get a higher resolution image off of the camera once you import the footage to your computer. And really on a Mac, the workflow is not that bad. But the thing that I always look at is how far behind is the technology. Now with the GoPro Hero 8, the processor is literally the processor from the GoPro Hero 7. And if I'm not mistaken, when the GoPro Hero 7 came out, the first thing they said was, oh wow, that's the same processor as the GoPro Hero 6. So what you're seeing happen in a lot of cases is they are realizing that yes, they were not optimized, those processors were not being used at their full potential. So they decided, you know, in the next version of it, they'll add some new features. They'll probably, you know, give you a better color profile, you know, color science, and, you know, rebrand it. And you see that happen over and over and over again. The main reason I wanted to upgrade is the fact that, you know, my main camera for vlogging, and even sometimes I use as a B camera in corporate events, and I've even used it at weddings, is the GoPro Hero 5. And it's been a very good camera for the most part, and I'm still using it today. I'm recording into it right now. But I liked a lot of the features, frame rates, and from what I can tell so far, the color science of this newer version. I think it'll match up pretty well with my Sony cameras. So only time will tell. But for now, guys, I'm just in these streets enjoying this beautiful weather. This is not going to be a long video. You know, I like to get on here and just talk to you guys. But today, it's all about these streets and that wind therapy. Yay, yay. I actually got out a little bit later than I expected to. I had a shoot today. I wasn't expecting that because it's Sunday, but we had one of our doctors call in late afternoon yesterday and said, hey, you know, I'm going to be out of town, but I really need these photos for my website. Can you guys come by, you know, for an hour or two and, you know, get some headshots for me, some environmental shots, things like that. I'm like, yeah, no problem. We'll make it happen. So, you know, that was that. Went out, got it done, got home, took my nap, got up, and I'm in these streets. And for the ones of you that has been asking and questioning about how the progress in my diet is going, literally, guys, I had been on the keto diet for over 2.5 months, I believe, approaching 3 months. I have been, for the most part, pasta free, bread free, Little bit of sugar here and there, but you got to have some carbs in your diet or your body will just go, you know, bonkers. But other than that, I definitely see a lot of results in a short period of time. I think the most important thing you guys have to remember, if you're considering some type of diet like this, is that you have to find a diet that you can live with. If you can't live with the diet, it's never going to work. So if you're going to try a grapefruit diet, a potato diet, a celery diet, a water-only diet, which is fasting, you know, it's never going to work for you because it's not something that you're going to be able to maintain over a long period of time. So what I mean by that is, you know, cutting out bread, pasta, rice, most sugars, I'm able to still cook the meals that I would like. You know, if I make a hamburger as an example, you know, I just make it without a bun. I substitute maybe you know, onion rings for French fries, or broccoli, or maybe I'll substitute cauliflower, you know, for rice. So, and I'm not a big fan of cauliflower, believe me. I don't care how you season it and how you cook it. It's just not, I'm not a huge fan of it. But I tried it, you know, it was okay. You know, I tried the cauliflower mashed potato you know, I guess it's supposed to be an equivalent. I tried the cauliflower rice, neither one of those. Neither one I liked. Nope, didn't like them. But I do like salads. I love eating vegetables. So, like I said, it's not very hard for me to make that transition. You know, it's just a matter of finding something that you like and sticking to it. So I intermittently fast. That means that, you know, when I get up in the morning, you know, I may have coffee or tea, but then I don't eat anything until my first meal window, which is usually around 4 o'clock. And, you know, that's when I'll make my meal, whatever it's going to be for the day. I give myself about a 4 to 5, sometimes 6 window to eat. And at the end of that, no more consumption. That's the end of the meal for the day. But I'm used to that. I was doing that before. I just wasn't doing it, you know, by cutting out these other elements of my diet. And like I said, since doing that, I have seen tremendous, I say tremendous results. So guys, if you want to try it, you need to try it at least for 2 weeks, the minimum. Some people, depending on their situation, they need to go at least 30 days. So you may want to do a little bit of research. There's tons and tons of great videos here on YouTube. And, you know, there's just a gazillion people writing about this, you know, all over the internet. So trust me, you can find the content. So if you're into it, let me know, you know, hit your boy up. Let me know what your progress was like, if you saw any results or anything like that. And, you know, we'll see how that goes. But guys, until then, it's your boy Rome. I will catch you fools in the next video.